St. Augustine Grass is a popular warm-season turf used throughout the southern United States. While St. Augustine Grass is durable, it is vulnerable to a disease called St. Augustine Decline. Once infected, St. Augustine Turf will yellow and die out. In this video, we'll show you how to identify St. Augustine Decline, reduce visible symptoms, and protect your lawn from dying out. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. When turf becomes infected with St. Augustine Decline, grass blades will start to yellow. This may look similar to when grass has an iron deficiency, but there is a way to tell the two conditions apart. St. Augustine Decline resembles mottled yellow splotches on younger or older grass blades. If your grass has an iron deficiency, usually only younger grass blades will appear uniformly yellow or have yellow stripes parallel to the blade's mid-vein. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. St. Augustine Decline is a disease that affects St. Augustine grass. It's also known to affect centipede grass as centipede mosaic. Check around your property for patches of yellowing turf. If your turf has been infected for more than 3 years, patches of dead grass will form. When you found yellowing turf, inspect it closely to ensure it is your target and not anything else. If infected patches grow underneath shade, the grass may thin, making room for weeds. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. St. Augustine Decline cannot be controlled with chemical products. You can, however, reduce the disease's visual symptoms by keeping up cultural lawn care practices and maintaining your turf's health. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter, regularly mow your grass to its proper height, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide your lawn with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage disease. Most lawns require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. These strategies will reduce the visual symptoms of St. Augustine Decline, but will not cure it. Once the grass has been infected with St. Augustine Decline, it cannot be cured. After about 3 years of infection, the grass will start to die. Prevention is essential to keeping lawn diseases in check. Even after applying fungicides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. St. Augustine Decline spreads through unclean mowing equipment. To stop the spread, be sure to steam clean your equipment or wipe it clean with a 10% bleach solution. To further reduce symptoms of infected turf, fertilize your lawn to improve its health and prevent other diseases from settling in. During summer, you can use our Pro-Grow Summer Blend 19-4-10 fertilizer. Just apply 5 pounds of this fertilizer evenly over 1,000 square feet. During spring, check out our 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec. You can apply this fertilizer at a rate of 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After maintaining, cleaning, and fertilizing your lawn, the best way to control St. Augustine Decline is to introduce a resistant variety of St. Augustine grass. You can purchase plugs of disease-resistant grass at a sod or turf specialty store and install them in your lawn. Over a year or more, the resistant grass will grow and crowd out the infected grass, ensuring your lawn stays green as the infected grass dies. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop St. Augustine Decline on your turf, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.